Hi guys, hello. How is it going today? I hope you guys doing good so far. And in this video, I'm going to explain what you need to do for this week, okay? And we're gonna start with pronunciation lab, okay? And we're going to learn about these words. So the word flies, luggage, snacks, forecast, sandals, cheap, butter, sunglasses. But you need to know first what those words means, okay? So for that, we're going to go on page 263, okay? So this one, it is on page 258, but right now we're going to go on 263. So if you see right here on this page on 263, we have some pictures, and then so you need to know what those words mean. Sandals, for example, sandals, it is those things we use it for in our feet, okay? So we call sandal. And the flight, it is this one. So you can have an idea what those words means. Flight, this one. When the people go, is it they are in the plane, okay? And trip, this one right here, you see the people. So this picture match with that word, okay? So because they are getting ready for the trip, they're going on vacation maybe. And we have luggage. So luggage, it is those cases right here, these cases. So we use it for put our stuff or our things we take with us when we go somewhere, okay? And we call luggage, okay? And butter, so this one right here, we use it for the food, for in the kitchen, okay? So it is better. Snacks, it's something we eat an extra when we are not hungry. So maybe we already eat, and then we want to eat something extra one, so we call snacks. So can be ice cream or strawberries or juice or maybe vegetables, some vegetables or bread, okay, for example. And sunglasses, so sunglasses right here, you see the girl, she's wearing a sunglasses. And then maybe because it is pretty much sure because it is a sunny day, okay? And forecast, this one we see on TV when something it is that predicts for the short future, for the future, how's the weather is going to be, okay? So maybe for example in Guatemala tomorrow for the next week it's going to rain the whole week, for example. So that thing we call forecast, okay? So they are predicting how it's going to be the weather. Okay, so now you have an idea what those word means. And we're going back. Okay, so we're going back on page 258. And then let's read this together, guys. Okay, it says flight. The example we have on our English book, it says our flight leaves at 6:15. So please repeat. Luggage. We still have plenty of time before we check our luggage. Snacks. They have sandwich, salads, and snacks. Forecast. I checked the weather forecast before we left. Sandals. I hope you didn't forget to bring your sandals. Trip. Is everyone excited about our trip? Butter. The butter will have bread with butter and jam. Sunglasses. I hope you didn't forget to bring your sunglasses. Okay. So what you need to do on this page, guys, it says see how much your word costs. So you need to see how much each word costs and add the amounts and write the total. Use the code below. Okay, so you need to use the code below. For example, the letter S, how much it costs. The letter S, it costs, what is it? The S, you need to find out in here. S, 5 cents. N, A, 4 cents. N, 6 cents. And D, how much it costs? 3 cents. A, 4 cents. L, 2 cents. And S, 5 cents. So how much you think it is? So what do you think? How much you think it is? You need to see how much it is. So how much it is? 29 cents. So 29 cents. And you need to do the same thing with all the rest of those words. So you need to find out, okay? And here is the code, okay? And you need to write it out in this space and put the total right here, okay? And That's all you need to do on this page. But like I said, you need to go back again on page 260. Okay, on this page 263 again, you need to do this one. It says find and circle the words from the word bank. So this is one, it is the word bank. So you need to find all these words in this square. So you need to circle them, okay? And then that's all you need to do. And this one right here, it says write the words in alphabetical order. Match them to the picture. So you need to, which one it goes first, second, third, fourth, fifth, like that. And it is those word right here, this word right here. So which one you think we have? Letters start with letter A? No. And B? Yes, we have one. So it is this one, butter. So you need to write it down in this part as a number one, butter, and you need to match with the line. So remember, it is this one, butter. Okay, and that's all you need to do in this one. And we're going to talk also about the future. Okay, future, it is beautiful to talk about our future, and maybe we're planning to go somewhere. Okay, so let's see, it says plans in the future. Okay, and this one, it is on page 260. Okay, page 260, and it says we have example. If you see right here, it is very easy because I, you, he, she, it, we, they, we use it with will, okay? And want for negative, okay? And we'll talk a little bit about this one too, what you need to do on this page, okay?
Timeline starts here with now, the present. We've already talked a lot about the past, the time before now, and now it's time for us to talk about the time after now, which is also known as the future. All right, now the good news is that talking about the future using will or won't is very, very easy. And the reason for that is that I, you, we, they, he, she, it, they all use the same words. I will, you will, they will, he will, she will, it will. And the same thing with will not. All right. Will not, by the way, has a contraction. Won't. I won't, you won't, we won't, and so on. All right, so let's move our words into the center of the screen, and we're also going to talk about how to form questions. Since this is so easy, all we have to do is change around our pronoun and will in order to make questions. So, for example, will I, jump, 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 will you, jump, 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 and the answer is going to be yes, she will, or yes, I will, yes, it will, or no, she won't. No, it won't, no, we won't. All right, let's go ahead and practice. Now, I've got a list of things to do tomorrow. This is my friend's list of things to do. The problem is that my friend is very, very lazy. He only wants to do fun things, and he doesn't want to do any boring jobs. So, he's going to look at this list and change his mind about some things. Number one, take a shower. Okay, he will take a shower. But number two, do the laundry. No thank you. Go shopping? Yeah, that's fun. Meet a friend for coffee? Sure. But what about clean the house? No, no, no. He does not want to clean the house. Go out for dinner? Sure. Practice the piano? Not so fun. Watch TV? Yeah. All right. So what we're going to do is take these words on the right and make sentences with them. So, number one, he will take a shower. Number two, do the laundry? No. He won't do the laundry. Number three, he will go shopping. Number four, he will meet a friend. Number five, he won't clean the house. Number six, he will go out for dinner. Number seven, he won't practice the piano. And number eight, he will watch TV. All right. So, as you see, that's very simple to form the future using will or won't in English. We're now going to practice making questions. Now, you've got to remember, the question number one says, will he take a shower? Do you remember? He said yes. Yes, he will. Number two, will he do the laundry? No, he won't. Number three, will he meet a friend? Yes, he will. Number four, will he practice the piano? No, he won't. Last one, will he watch TV? Yes, he will. All right, you practice that a little bit and you'll get it really, really easily. Thank you so much for listening, everyone. We'll see you next time, and bye-bye.
Okay, guys, so now you have an idea how to use them. Okay, so it says, let's read it together. This sentence is right here in our English book. It says, we will have dinner at the hotel's restaurant, and he won't go by bus. He won't go. Okay, and he won't have time to go back to the house. Okay, remember the contraction form for will not, it is want. Okay, so you will know about this one. You use all the people with will and want. Okay, and remember to talk about plans in the future, use the word will before the verb. To talk about a negative, use want. Okay, and what let's read this one together. And it says, I will go to dinner with my family tomorrow. I will, future for tomorrow. I won't have a birthday party this weekend. Okay, and what we need to do. Okay, so this one, it is activity you need to do. It says, write sentences that about these people will do and won't do in the future. Follow the model. So we have examples right here. It says, he will play baseball next week. She won't go to the movies with friends. Okay, so you need to write one positive and one negative. Okay, and for example, you need to take a look at the picture. So what do you think about these people? They're going shopping. What, using will? They will go shopping. So they will. So for guys, you need to take a look, like I said, the picture and write sentences. You need to use will. Okay, so take a look at the picture. So what do you think? They will go shopping in the afternoon. So how are you gonna write like this? They. So you need to write it down. They. I'm sorry. What's going on? Okay. They will go okay. We'll go shopping in the afternoon. In the afternoon. Okay, so they will go shopping afternoon. And I'm gonna give you another example. Another example, this one right here. What do you think about these people? Oh, use want, okay? They won't play volleyball, for example. They won't play. Okay, I'm gonna give you this one too. They won't play volleyball. Won't play volleyball. So right there. And then you already have two examples of that one, about this one, and you need to do two more. Okay, this one, think about this one and this one too, and then one positive and one negative. And also we need to go on page 274. Okay, page 274 right now. And what it says, it is about the future tense and what we need to do. It says complete the sentences using will or want. Okay, it says they think their friends on time for dinner. So what do you think? So we have this example right here. It says I will write. So we use this one. Will write a letter to my friend next week. And what about the number one? It says they think their friends. Remember, it says not be. So won't. Okay. They think their friends won't be on time for dinner. Okay, so let's see. So let's take a look at that one. Okay, it says they won't be. Okay, I'm gonna give you the number one. Okay, remember the number one from that page. It says they think they think their their friends their friends won't be on time for dinner. So that one you have to put right there. They think, okay, and you need to do the rest of that one. This one right here, the number two. It says Sarah. What do you think? Come. Sarah will come to the party with her boyfriend. Okay, so you need to do right here the rest of this. Okay, and also you need to do this one too. It says unscramble the word.